This festive recipe starts with the brine. You need water, salt, garlic, and some lemon. Place the chicken in this brine for at least 10 hours. And after you take it off the brine, you must, absolutely must, wash it. Allow the chicken to dry. Use some paper towels to pat dry it. Place this chicken in a refrigerator for about 30 minutes. That'll help dry the skin and a crispier roast. Apply some olive oil. And then this wonderful dried up. You can get the recipe in the link below. We are ready for that grill. I prefer using a charcoal barbecue or a barbecue, but you could do this in a fan-forced oven too. At 200 degrees centigrades for about an hour or slightly more. It's been cooking for over an hour. Let's see. Wow. That is nice. I'm gonna taste it a little. Good. Baste this beautiful roast chicken with its drippings or some olive oil. And finally, finish it for the last 5 minutes on high heat. Enjoy it with some salad and some mash.